Hi, this is Reid with Direct Link Realty. One of the most common questions we get is, how do I start the process? Do I start with a realtor? Do I start with a lender? Do I start by going to open houses? What's the best, place to start in the buying process? And the answer typically is to start with a realtor because they're going to understand the entire context of the transaction and what's going to happen, what you need in order to get all the way through the process. We like to start by sitting down and just getting a good overview of what it is that you're after, both in terms of your financial goals, the financial parameters you want to stay within, as well as understanding what kind of home you're after, what kind of neighborhoods or activities you want to be around, and really getting a good sense of your overall goals for the process. At the same meeting, we can give you a solid overview of the process. We have an 18-page outline of what it really takes start to finish to go through the whole home buying process. And we also understand a lot of the different types of loan programs that are out there and incentives for different areas, etc. So we really like to, once we understand your financial goals, pair you with a local lender who's going to understand what's going on specifically in the Atlanta market, and then might have specific programs that address particular neighborhoods or particular needs in a way that might be different than you might see in it with a national lender. Also might be just different than what the typical loan officer is going to tell you. People tend to fall into a rut as they get busy and as a lot of things are going on in the market. So a lot of people get quoted just a standard 30-year fixed rate mortgage, and don't really understand that there are other programs and other opportunities that are out there. A 30-year fixed rate mortgage may be the very best product for you, and that's great. But we'll want to make sure that you're set up to ask key questions to a lender to help you uncover what the options and the opportunities are, and to allow you to make an informed decision as opposed to just going with the first thing that you see in the market. Once we sit down and kind of uncover what your goals are, then we're much more able to pair you with someone who's going to align with, whose expertise is going to align with the needs that you have in your particular situation. So give us a call today if you haven't already. We'd love to reach out to you or to speak with you and set you up for success, both in your home purchase and in your home ownership experience.